Ang tagal ko na dito sa ibang bansa. Ang dami ko ng ipon. What if mag-invest ako sa condo unit?
Saan na pwede mag-stay? Ano kayong property ang magandang bilhin? Gusto ko sana yung malapit sa work ko. Kasi sobrang nakakapagod mag-travel. Tingnan ako dito. Tama! Mukhang maganda dito sa Gold Residences ha. Across na iya Terminal 1 lang.
I'm looking for a place to stay na magugustuhan ko, and I feel so relaxed when I'm stressed about my business. Ooh, this one looks so elegant.
Guys, anong gagawin natin dito? I think it's time to use our powers. What if tawagan natin si Fairy Godmother? Oo nga, tara tawagan natin.
Tama, she's in the real world. Alam niya yung gagawin.
Tara, tawagan natin siya sa sapa.
Thank you for taking a call and to address this kind of problems of our clients. Grabe talaga yung love and care nyo sa mga buyers natin. Yan ang need natin sa industry to. The best talaga na investment ang Gold Residences because of their location. Lalo na kung gagawin itong rental business in the future. Ensure na may demand. In terms of property appreciation, sure na mag-shoot up yung property value after 3 to 4 years once the whole development is completed. This kind of investment will surely give a passive income for our future buyers. Plus, it's a forced investment na na-allocate nila yung hard-earned money nila in a really good investment, which is real estate, na sure na nagtataas ang value. Also, an end use, since tapat siya ng airport, the client will save time and effort and also elevate their lifestyle. Kaya, the solution is to come over here at Earth Fairy Angels. Tara, let's guide our client every step of the way para sure na hindi mapapabayaan na ating mga kliyente from the buying, turnover, furnishing, rentals, and flipping. Let's go!
Bakit mali? Iba yung suot natin.
Isa pa, isa pa.
Hala! Ang ganda natin! Pero mali ito, hindi ito appropriate. Tara, magpalit tayo ulit. Ayan, tama na yung suot natin.
Grabe! Ang init naman. Saan kaya pwede magstay? Ang init naman. At anong oras na? Tanghali na. Ay, pagod na rin ako. Ano kaya to?
Good morning, sir.
Oh, hi. Good morning.
This way.
Sige.
Teka, saan po kayo?
From Muntinlupa ako and working ako dyan sa NAIA. And I'm looking for a place to stay na malapit sa workplace ko.
Tama. Gold Residences is located across NAIA Terminal 1. And alam mo ba, that is the first ever township project of SMBC. Meaning, we residential, commercial, and leisure in one community.
Yes sir, bukod sa airport, katabi natin ang SNR Shopping Center and few kilometers away from SM Sukat and SM Mall of Asia.
Wow, impressive ang location and perfect sa amin na mga nag-work sa aviation industry.
I've been in many countries and hotels all over the Philippines, so convinced me to buy a gold city.
First things first, this project is sophisticated
sophisticated and classic architectural design with a combination of gold, black, and white.
That's correct, sir. And this is the only condominium that has a high ceiling like a grand hotel.
And also, this project is one of our project that has a co-working space as well inside of it.
So what are the amenities of Gold Residences?
Sir, we have complete amenities. We have swimming pool, fitness center, central park, and social halls.
In addition to that, sir, we also have engraved gardens, jogging path, and social lounges.
Hi sir, good afternoon. My name is Phoebe and ito na nga po si Verna ang mag-assist sa inyo throughout the process pag nag-purchase ka po ng unit. Is this for investment po ba or personal use?
For investment sana kasi ngayon ako nakahawak ng ganitong kalaking pera and gusto ko na lumalago yung pera ko, hindi lang natutulog sa bangko.
Okay sir, tamang-tama po yung naiisip niyo. Good idea po yan and hindi po accidentally nalamit niyo po kami dahil nasa best team ka, we can help you for furnishing and rent house and we offer end-to-end hassle-free service na hindi niyo po masyadong papupusan kapag nag-invest ka po sa Gold Residences. Alam niyo ba sir, marami kami mga clients na kumikita dito as much as 30,000 to 90K a month. So talagang very subok na subok yung aming team, yung J Project team po sa when it comes po sa pagpaparent.
I'm very interested. How will I reserve a unit?
We only need 2 valid IDs, the reservation fee, and filled out reservation agreement forms.
What do you think?
Actually, that's nice. So I think it's about to close the deal.